Hi everyone, if you do woodworking like I do, you're always kind of get into those situations where you're just a little bit too close with your fingers to the saw blade, especially on the table saw and the miter saw as well. Dunkive sent us this push stick for a table saw, but you can also use it for a miter saw as well. It's a really great design. It's got a V up here. That'll enable you to push your material through your saw and allow the saw blade to go between the V. On the feet of the stick, you also have two rubber pads. That will help you grip onto your project and continue to push through. It also has a rubber handle on it, which slides up and down, depending on if you need to adjust that or not. And on the end of it, you also have a rubber tip as well. It gives you a lot of versatility in this one tool. Also, the tool head is plastic, so if you do get that into your blade, it will end up cutting the plastic instead of a metal head, which you'll end up wrecking your blade and the head itself. It also has a wood dowel. So if you come in contact with the saw blade at all, these two materials aren't going to hurt your saw blades because we know those can get kind of pricey. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll show you how it works. And apply pressure. All right, so you can see that the tool pushed it on through and gripped on it and pushed it past the blade. So there we have it. That's the tool on the table saw, and you can see that it works very well. We're going to go ahead and move over to the miter saw and show you how it works over there as well. So with the tool itself, we're just going to hold it in tight. And there we go. We've got a nice clean cut, and I never got my hand anywhere near the blade itself while it was rotating. Now you can also use the rubber tip on the other end of the stick itself and just push that nice and taut up against the guide. So you can see that the tool is very versatile. You have the ability to push right here or grip down, but you also have this available as well to press in when you aren't able to use this side. All right, so if you're looking for a great push block for your table saw or your miter saw, I would definitely suggest the Dunkive, and yeah, pick one up and you won't be disappointed.